Hi, here is BOGONG laser. Today I will show you the F-Theta lens of the laser cleaning head. This is the F-Theta lens. It controls the cleaning area. We have different F-Theta lens, and you can see different number on this one. You can choose the small one and the big one. You can see from this picture, we have 6 different F-Theta lens with different working area.
We also created a comparison video showing paint removal using different F-Theta lenses. You'll see that the smaller lens is more efficient, while the larger lens, although slower, produces better surface finish.
Different size of F-Theta lens have different focus lengths. The smaller lens, the laser seems like more powerful, and the big lens, the laser seems like weaker. BOGONG will provide you suitable lens for different laser power. If you want to find a reliable professional supplier with best quality and best after-sales service, contact with BOGONG Laser.